I'm here with the Prince of Ballads, si Mr. Gerald Santos. Nandito, kasama ko.
Hi, Pia. Hi sa lahat ng ating mga viewers. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Hi.
Well, alam naman natin si Gerald pinagmamalaki talaga sa music industry at ngayon pati na rin sa international theater scene. So, kanina nga nagkukwentuhan kami, you've been all around the world, right?
Yeah.
Playing Thoy
Yeah.
for Miss Saigon.
Yes.
Tell us more about it, Gerald.
Grabe yung experience na yun. Hindi ko talaga yun kumbaga priceless siya. Unforgettable, you get to travel the world while doing what you love.
Grabe.
While being paid.
While being paid.
Yeah, you get to see the world. And you get to work with world-class na mga talents.
From all over, no?
Yeah, from all over, and also yung production team, of course, of Sir Cameron Macintosh. So, grabe, iba yung level talaga. Kaya I'm just
Grabe.
grateful.
You started in the UK, tama?
Yes, in the UK.
How did it happen? You auditioned there, ganon?
So, back in 2016, nagpa-audition sila dito. So, lumipad ang
Grabe,
Cameron
no?
Macintosh.
Tagal ng
production.
preparation.
Oo, ganun. So, nagpunta sila dito, nag-hold sila ng open auditions.
Oo.
And then nag-audition ako. And then I got in like December 2016. So, and then I did the shows na ng May 2017. Yeah, we did the UK. And then eventually nag-European tour kami. We did sa Ireland, sa Switzerland, sa Germany. And then I came back, and then nag-pandemic. And then last year, nag-Denmark naman. Ayan.
So parang nahati? Because
yeah.
of the pandemic?
Yeah, because of the
Tapos
pandemic.
they called you again to do Denmark?
Yeah, Denmark.
Galing.
Ito, in Danish language naman yung Denmark.
What do you mean? So everywhere you go, you have to translate it in
Just
the local
yung Denmark lang.
yung Denmark
Yeah,
lang.
yung iba kasi.
You
siya.
sang in Danish?
Yeah, Danish. So, we studied
Ang
the
hirap
Danish
nun!
language. Sobrang hirap ng Danish language. Yeah.
Super! I'm not even gonna try. Parang
Yeah.
lahat ng parang yung Norwegian, yung Danish,
Yeah, the
yung
Scandinavian
Swedish.
languages, sobrang hirap. Pero in particular, tong Danish, talaga ito raw yung pinakamahirap dun sa ano. And based din sa mga naririnig ko sa salita nila, actually sa Scandinavia, pinakamahirap talaga yung Danish actually.
Well,
So yung Danish ko,
congratulations
nagtunog
for that.
Chinese na lang.
Talaga? Pasample nga, how does it sound?
Okay,
Bati ka sa mga kada natin in Danish.
Sige. Tål du kunne være dig selv. Jeg den mand, du slog ihjel. Du var kold som is, da du skød mig. Min sjæl, den vågen, og forfølger dig.
Wow! Is that from
Yeah.
Miss Saigon?
Yeah,
One
from
of
Miss
Thoy's
Saigon.
songs?
Yeah, one of Thoy's songs. Yeah.
Oo, grabe. Palakpakan naman natin si Gerald. Woo! Parang talent upon talent upon talent. At dahil
you,
dyan,
thank you.
you're back for a concert here in the Philippines. It's called the Grateful
Yeah,
concert.
It's my 18th anniversary concert, so it's gonna be on June 29, 7 p.m. at the Music Museum. And with special guests, Mr. Ogie Alcacid, Rita Daniela, and Mr. Ray Valera. Ayan.
Wow.
For tickets, you can avail it sa ticketworld.com.ph.
Oo. Sabi nila, it's a look back on the people and the events that you're grateful for.
Yes, definitely.
Oo. Bakit even the guests have something to do with
Yes,
that?
of course. Una-una si Kuya Ogie, isa rin naman siya sa mga influences ko talaga sa pagkanta ko. Nung nagsimula ako as a balladeer, di ba?
Yes.
So, yung pagka-balladeer ko, isa sa mga influences ko. And si Mr. Ray Valera, syempre part na ng culture natin yan sa
Oo
music.
naman, icon.
And si Rita naman, siya ay contemporary ko sa showbiz. So when I was like competing sa reality singing competition before, halos magkasabay lang din kami. Doon lang siya sa kids edition.
Oo.
Ayun.
Ikaw yung teenager edition.
Teenager, yeah, and siya sa kids, yeah.
Oo.
Mas bata pa siya.
So 19th and
18th.
18th year mo na sa show
Yes.
business.
Mhm.
So many things talaga to be thankful for.
So many things.
Diba?
Sobra.
Not least of which your Miss Saigon experience.
Yes, yun talaga yung masasabi kong peak. Kumbaga, so far. Hopefully, may marami pang ma-play na roles internationally.
Oo.
Yeah.
Okay. We're getting ahead of the story dahil ang ating gagawin with Gerald today, we're gonna make him pick from our fishbowl at nakalagay dito ang mga key topics in your life. And then
Wow.
we'll just we'll make that the jump off for our conversation. Okay, Gerald?
Alright, sure.
So,
Okay.
please,
Kakaiba to, Okay.
get
I'm
one.
excited, for
Uy,
this
meron
one.
ding sing a short song na related sa
Uy,
nabunot mo.
so pinag-uusapan lang natin. So,
Ayan na
ito.
nga, si Toy. For the
Toy.
benefit of our kadas, i-describe mo nga sa kanila kung sino si Toy sa Miss Saigon.
Bale, ang role po ni Tui sa Miss
Tui.
Saigon, siya yung na-fix marriage with Kim, yung sa character ni Miss Lea Salonga before. Ayan,
yes.
siya yung ka-love triangle nung American GI. So, and then he became officer of the Vietnamese Army eventually. Ayan, sa story ng Miss Saigon.
Oo. Mahirap ba mag-audition for something like that?
Oh,
How many times did they make you come back? Kasi, di ba merong audition for voice, audition for dancing?
Yes, Kinilabutan ako doon sa tanong mo kung mahirap kasi talaga napakahirap. Para kang dadaan
Sige
ka
nga,
talaga sa
kwentuhan.
butas ng
ng
karayon.
karayon.
Yeah, literal. Kasi 4 stages
Oo.
yung audition. So, yung una dyan, yun yung... Kasi sa open auditions ako pumasok. So, we were like 900 plus or 1,000.
Wow.
So, yun yung like 1 minute you have to get their attention. So, you could have a callback. So, luckily and
They give you a
thankfully-
minute?
Yeah, a minute.
After lining up, along
Yes.
with 900 people,
Yes.
isang minuto lang ay bibigay sa'yo
Yeah.
to blow their minds
Yeah,
away.
Yes, kasi sobrang dami nun. Kung pahabain nila, mauubusan sila ng oras.
Tama.
So, ayun, I got their attention, thankfully, and then I got a call back.
Wait,
Ayun na
wait
yung-
lang.
Oh,
Anong ginawa mo para ma-impress sila for a minute only?
ayun, yung song na yun, yung kinanta ko in Danish, in English lang, kinanta ko siya. I was really surprised sa reactions nila. They were really like got glued. So natapos ko yung 1 minute. Kasi usually talagang mga 4 bars lang parang okay, thank you.
Alam mo na.
Ganun lang
Huwag
yung
ka
sa
na mag-expect
yeah,
ng tawa.
parang ganun, no? So I was really surprised dun sa yun yung kinanta ko yung Kim's Nightmare.
Oo.
And then lumabas ako ng room, binigyan nila ako ng callback slip.
Agad-agad.
Yeah, like for like the next day. And then they gave me the materials of Tui. So sinend nila sa akin via email yung mga materials niya. Inaral ko na siya.
Anong
So,
feeling na nakuha mo yung callback right away?
Ah,
Grabe yun!
grabe. Hindi ko talaga din ma-explain actually yung pakiramdam ko. Sabi ko, parang totoo ba to? Tapos pinapaaral pa nila sa akin yung Tui sa mga songs, yung mga materials niya. So sabi ko, parang magandang sign na to. Pero hindi naman ako masyadong umaasa pa agad.
Oo.
Kasi syempre,
Medyo
marami ka
cautious
pang,
ka pa rin.
marami ka pa pagdadaanan.
Sino-sino pa yung nandun sa audition na parang na-intimidate ka ba doon sa mga kasama
Sobrang,
mo?
ni big names actually. Pero hindi ko na lang babanggitin. Mapa theater,
Mamaya,
mapa sa mainstream.
sabihin mo sa akin after that.
Bubulong natin. So, ayun, sobrang nakaka-intimidate. Tapos nandun ka pa, ang aga-aga, kanta sila ng kanta sa paligid, at tataas ng boses nila, ang lalaki ng boses. Sabi ko, hala, ano kaya yung laban ko? Kasi ako noon, kumbaga medyo nasa crooner, balladeer pa ako at that time.
Yeah.
So, I'm
No
just like a
background
newbie.
in theater at all.
Meron ako, at that time, meron akong musical play na ginagampanan. But still, I'm still a beginner, like a newbie. Kaya, intimidated talaga ako nung time na yun. But, ayun, nung second round na, so I studied yung material ni Tui. And then, nagulat ako talagang they're really working on me.
Nax.
Ang daming, marami kaming na-callback din. Siguro mga 300 kami natira. And then,
Dami
sineparate
pa rin.
nila ako ng room. So, they were working on me as two eh. So, sabi ko, ano kayang sign nito? Sabi ko, ano ba to? Parang, pwede na ba akong mag-assume na ako na, ganun. They were really working on me, like, paulit-ulit. Siguro nasa loob ako ng room for like 1.5 hours, ganun. So, they were just working on me, letting me sing the songs.
Oo.
Tapos kino-coach nila ako nung kung paano yung kung saan nanggagaling yung character ni Tuy, yung
Yeah.
istorya, para mas makuha ko yung, mag-grasp ko yung ano, kumbaga ma-immerse ako dun sa character. And then, ayun na, after that, they were like, thank you for your hard work. And then, I got out of the room. And then they gave me another callback slip. Ito na yung dance auditions na.
Ay,
na,
nakaka-nervous yung dance audition.
na it's really my, ano naman talaga, it's my weakness, yung dancing. I can dance, but I really need yung time. Hindi ako yung magaling yung kuwari yung time na to. At the moment, yung kaya kong kumuha ng choreography. No.
Yes.
Yung audition is like that. So we were like dancing yung Morning of the Dragon, yung American Dream, tinuturo sa akin. Well, siguro naman I did enough.
Okay.
And then, nung nakita nilang I did enough, sineparate na naman nila ako. Tinawag na naman nila ako
Sabi
to
nila,
another room.
pwede na to.
parang-
Teachable naman.
Yeah.
Diba?
Mahalaga siguro sa isip nila, okay, nakakasayaw, nakikinig, alam mo, teachable.
So after how many callbacks did you finally know it was gonna be you?
Yung pang fourth round, yun na, nandun na si Sir Claude Michel Schoenberg, the composer.
Wow.
Yun na yung final stage talaga. And doon talaga nanginginig na talaga ako kasi, siguro mga na 10 na sila doon, ng mga from the UK, British production. Doon ako, pero I was really surprised kasi parang, siguro, nire-report na rin nila yung mga nangyayari during nung first 3 stages. So, parang kilalang-kilala niya na ako, tinuturuan niya na ako kung anong dapat kong gawin, ganito, ganyan.
And how rigorous is the schedule? I mean, the entire...
Yun. So, ayun na. Like after 6
Pag
months, they
nagsushow,
offered me
oo.
the role. And then...
After 6 months, they offered you the role.
Yeah, they offered me the role after 6 months. And then, nung nandun kami sa UK, sobrang rigorous talaga kasi it's like from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. ang rehearsals namin.
Wow.
Every day, yeah. So we only have like 1 day off. And then, when we were doing the shows na, ayun, 8 shows per week. We're doing 8 shows per week.
8 shows per week.
Yeah, so it's like
twice,
a regular...
meron mga twice a day.
Yes, meron kami. Ang twice namin is like Thursday and Saturday. So, ang only day off namin is Sunday.
Wow.
Yeah.
You really have to love it, di ba?
Sobra.
Oo. So talagang alam mo na yung material forwards and backwards.
Yes, kahit natutulog ako, nananaginip ako.
At dahil dyan, kantahin mo naman yung short segment in English, pwede.
In English, okay. Did you think I'd gone away? I am the man you killed that day. Cold with a bullet inside my chest. My corpse may be sleeping, but my soul won't rest. I'm the crime that you hid. You can try, but you'll never forget what you did. You will never be free. Not as long as there's me.
Wow! Ang galing! Nice one, Gerald. We are so proud of you. Okay, one more bunot. Okay, one more bunot, please.
Okay.
Congratulations for that. What an
Thank
awesome
you.
experience. Ibang klase.
Oh, wow. Ito, ayan na. Ang aking special guest sa concert, si Mr.
Okay.
Ogiel Casi, din si Mr. Ray Valera. Ayan.
Okay, we talked a little bit about that already.
Yeah, okay.
One more.
One more. Oh!
Anong sabi?
Daang Hari Elementary School. Dito ako nag-elementary sa Navotas City. Yan, kung saan ako lumaki. Ayan.
Wow, imagine, no?
Yeah.
How far you've come, di ba?
Crazy, crazy. Hindi ko rin nakalain actually. Hindi ko, ito yung magiging destiny. Ito yung path na na paroroonan ko. So I'm really thankful talaga.
Grabe. You used to join school competitions.
Yes.
Singing.
Diyan ako nagsimula sa Daang Hari Elementary School. Kapag yung flag ceremony,
Oo.
di ba every Monday, so pakakantahin nila ako dyan after mag
Lupang Hinirang.
Yes.
After Lupang Hinirang, meron kang kanta.
Yes, parang spot number, gano'n, intermission.
Alam na nila.
Ang lakas ko sa mga teachers.
So, ilan taong ka nito?
I was like maybe 8 to 10, yan. So for like 2 years, they were like making me sing. So naging training ground ko din siya. Napakalaking bagay. I was singing sa buong mga students ng school. Yeah.
So, paano mo na-discover yung talent mo in singing?
I started singing when I was 7 years old.
Oo.
And alam mo naman sa Pinoy culture, ang aking parents mahilig mag-karaoke. Karaoke pa nun, yung tape, cassette tape.
Oo.
And then they were always singing. Eventually, ginagamit ko na yung mga nila, yung mic nila, yung cassette tape nila. Tapos narinig nila, sabi nila, may boses yung anak namin ah. Ayun na, nagsimula na yung stress sa buhay ko. Kasi pakakantahin ka na sa
Maya't
birthday ni
maya.
tita, birthday ni lolo, ni lola, di ba? Ganon. So, naging training ground ko din yon. And then eventually, nag-amateur singing contests naman ako ng mga around 10 years old. Ayan. Dumadayo kami, nakakarating kami ng Laguna, ng Bulacan. So, a lot of learnings and experiences and yung training nung time na yun nung bata ako.
At saka syempre, no, yung pagkabilib ng parents mo sa'yo to bring you to all these singing competitions, di ba?
Yes, so yun din, thankful din ako kasi sinuportahan ako ng parents ko. Napakalaking bagay nun.
Hindi
ah,
ka
kasi,
sinabihan na, naku, wag na yan.
Oo, walang mangyayari.
Mag-doktor
ganun.
ka na lang
Oo.
or maging teacher ka na lang, which is
Oo.
nothing bad about that, pero syempre, ilan lang talaga yung binibigyan ng ganitong galing ni God, di ba? Kailangan gamitin.
Yes, I'm really thankful na sinuportahan talaga ako ng parents ko.
Oo.
So sa mga aspiring singers dyan, yung mga anak nyo, kung narinig nyo na talagang may potensyal, suportahan nyo po.
Oo, tsaka sa mga anak dyan, pagbigyan nyo na yung mga nanay at tatay ninyo, pag pinapakanta kayo sa mga family parties, sa mga reunions, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung mga anak ko, ayaw na akong pakinggan eh.
Ay, ganun.
Come on, sing something. No, mama, you're so cringe.
Sa
Sige
social
kayo.
media na lang daw.
Hindi kayo magmi-miss Saigon, balang araw.
Mga Kanet 25, this is Pia Guanyo Mago. For more Kada Umaga updates, please click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook page. See you guys. Bye!